the ability to use your entire squad really in these last two games to trust them to deliver for their country, which they've done, and to get a point against a top 5 opposition is obviously wonderful, but it's about the performance today, and that's something I'm really proud of.
Perfformiad gwych o'r dechrau heddi. I mynd gol tu ôl erbyn tîm mor gryf a ddod nôl y ffordd nathon ni. Oedd pawb roi'r shifft enfawr yn y gêm a perfformiad gwych a allu mynd ymlaen o'r gêm yma nawr.
It's a good result. You know, we believe we can compete in this league, and these are the teams that we want to play against. And I think we showed tonight that we're able to go toe-to-toe with these teams, and I think, you know, with the chances that we had, especially myself, I think, you know, we potentially could have won the game tonight, but no, it's a really positive result and definitely a step that we want to build on.
This team is good. I keep telling them they're good, but it's games like this that prove to themselves how good they are, and that's what the most important thing is. How do we continue to believe that we are in League A for a reason? We've earned the right to be here on the field, and there are going to be games like this where we don't have the majority of the possession, but they stuck it out, they stayed strong, and it's about moments like that and how you make them count, and that's what they did.
Dyma'r gemau nhw'n chwarae, a dyma'r gemau ni'n gwybod nawr, ni'n gallu rhoi gêm dda iddyn nhw. A ni'n credu'n ail hanner o'n ni'n tîm y gorau. Mae rhaid ni creu mwy o siawns, ond ni'n gweithio'n galed am hwnna, a dyma platfform nawr i ni fynd yn mwy hyderus a mwy o barch yn, os yd gymaint o barch allan yna heddi, perfformiad gwych.